Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Kirsten Lewanek coming to you from River Valley Chiropractic. And we get a lot of people that are complaining about having constant low back pain. And chiropractic is a great tool for low back pain, as well as a lot of the stretches that we have shared on this channel. There are so many things that you can be doing, but we are always searching for new tools to bring to you to help you guys manage and improve any low back pain or pain that you're having in different areas, increasing your mobility, that type of thing. Well, decompression is known, spinal decompression is known to be a very valuable tool, or a tool, I guess is what you would say, to use to elongate the spine and slowly increase the hydration in those discs, so you get just even a couple more millimeters of depth in those discs, and that helps to relieve pain that's going on in the back, any compression that's going on with the disc spaces, any nerve type pain, those symptoms that you're getting, numbness and tingling in the arms, numbness and tingling into the legs, sciatic pain, those type of things. So I want to show you one thing that you can use. This is a yoga trapeze. I got it at Yoga Body, and there's actually a move that you can do that is upside down. It's an inversion tool where we hang upside down and allow the spine to decompress. And so I'm going to show you this tool, and it's very helpful for alleviating low back pain and nerve type symptoms from compressed discs. So give me a moment to get in here. So you use these top handles, and this is a hammock that goes right underneath you to get in here. And then you get the fabric to the right place for you into a comfortable seat. So I'm going to lean back to get the fabric here right for me. And my goal is to have this part of the fabric right here at the base of my sacrum. Then I'm going to use the middle handles to go backwards. My legs in here, like so. And don't worry about these handles getting in the way. You just pop them out of the way when they're in the way. Get yourself locked into there. Once you have your feet locked in, then you can let go and allow your spine to elongate and hang. And you allow yourself to just melt into the pose. So take a few deep breaths and relax and feel that elongation in the spine, that lengthening of your spine all the way from the sacrum to your skull. And the goal is to work up to doing this and hanging for 7 minutes a day. It's something that you're going to have to work up to. It takes some time if you're not used to hanging upside down and having the pressure inside your head. So you work with what's comfortable for you in the beginning, and then work towards getting to that 7 minutes a day. And just allow yourself to just let the spine decompress. Plus, it's fun to hang upside down. Although I'm sure my face is getting very red by now. When you're ready to come out, you look up and find your feet. Find your handles. Slowly bring one leg out and then your other leg out into your V, and then bring yourself up. And that's all there is to it. So doing that on a daily basis for up to 7 minutes is going to help to lengthen that spine and help low back pain. So again, I'm using the yoga trapeze from Yoga Body. If you have any questions about what I've covered in this video, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Please share this video if you found value, like, and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification when you subscribe so that you can have access to all our future videos as they come out. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great day.